In this short demonstration, I'll show you how to quickly create an alert for configuration changes on a FortiGate firewall in Logmanager. We'll begin by using one of the existing alert templates and simply adapting it for FortiGate logs. Let's start by navigating to the Alerts section. Now, select Create New from Template. This allows us to reuse a predefined structure instead of building the alert entirely from scratch. You'll notice that there isn't a built-in template specifically for FortiGate configuration changes. But that's not a problem. We can use the switch configuration change template as a starting point. The logic behind the alert is very similar. We just need to adjust the source of the logs. Next, we'll modify the filter so that the alert triggers on FortiGate-related events. To do this, we simply change the tag to match FortiGate config change logs. In our case, the data is tagged with FortiGate config change, so we'll select that tag and apply it. This ensures that the alert will only fire when Logmanager detects configuration changes coming from FortiGate devices. Once that's set, we can update the alert name and description so it's clear that this rule refers to FortiGate configuration activity. And that's it. We've created a FortiGate configuration change alert in just a few steps. From now on, Logmanager will automatically notify us whenever someone modifies the configuration on a FortiGate firewall.